Where is the nearest grocery store? Where is the nearest grocery store? Where can I find a good coffee shop? Where can I find a good coffee shop? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Where did you grow up? Where did you grow up? Where can I buy fresh produce? Where can I buy fresh produce? Where's the best place to travel in the summer? Where's the best place to travel in the summer? Where can I learn to cook? Where can I learn to cook? Where do you like to go for a walk? Where do you like to go for a walk? Where's the closest park? Where's the closest park? Where can I find reliable news sources? Where can I find reliable news sources? Where did you go on your last vacation? Where did you go on your last vacation? Where can I get my car serviced? Where can I get my car serviced? Where's the local library? Where's the local library? Where can I find job listings? Where can I find job listings? Where do you usually shop for clothes? Where do you usually shop for clothes? Where can I learn a new language? Where can I learn a new language? Where is the nearest gym? Where is the nearest gym? Where do you recommend going for a date? Where do you recommend going for a date? Where can I find online courses? Where can I find online courses? Where do you keep your important documents? Where do you keep your important documents? Where can I buy art supplies? Where can I buy art supplies? Where is your favorite restaurant? Where is your favorite restaurant? Where do you spend most of your free time? Where do you spend most of your free time? Where can I find pet supplies? Where can I find pet supplies? Where do you go for inspiration? Where do you go for inspiration? Where is the best place to watch the sunset? Where is the best place to watch the sunset? Where can I find a good book recommendation? Where can I find a good book recommendation? Where do you get your news? Where do you get your news? Where's the nearest gas station? Where's the nearest gas station? Where do you want to travel next? Where do you want to travel next? Where can I find a reliable babysitter? Where can I find a reliable babysitter? Where do you like to go on weekends? Where do you like to go on weekends? Where can I get tickets for a concert? Where can I get tickets for a concert? Where's the best place to see fall foliage? Where's the best place to see fall foliage? Where do you go for a quick lunch? Where do you go for a quick lunch? Where can I find home improvement tips? Where can I find home improvement tips? Where is the nearest ATM? Where is the nearest ATM? Where can I volunteer in my community? Where can I volunteer in my community? Where do you go for family outings? Where do you go for family outings? Where's the best place for hiking? Where's the best place for hiking? Where can I find local events? Where can I find local events? Where do you store your seasonal clothes? Where do you store your seasonal clothes? Where can I buy organic products? Where can I buy organic products? Where is the nearest pharmacy? Where is the nearest pharmacy? Where can I find good podcasts? Where can I find good podcasts? Where is the best beach nearby? Where is the best beach nearby? Where can I find affordable housing? Where can I find affordable housing? Where do you go for art galleries? Where do you go for art galleries? Where can I find tips for healthy living? Where can I find tips for healthy living? Where can I buy quality furniture? Where can I buy quality furniture? Where's the best place for family fun? Where's the best place for family fun? Where can I find pet adoption services? Where can I find pet adoption services? Where can I find a good dentist? Where can I find a good dentist? Where is the best spot for stargazing? Where is the best spot for stargazing? Where can I learn about gardening? Where can I learn about gardening? Where's the nearest public transportation stop? Where's the nearest public transportation stop?